In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate images in Grok AI. This process is intuitive and straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you're comfortable using this powerful tool. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to start at the most familiar place on the internet, Google. Open your web browser and head over to the Google homepage. Once you're there, locate the search box right in the center of the page. This is where we'll begin our journey to explore Grok AI. Next, type Grok into Google's search bar. By entering this keyword, you'll be directed to resources and links related to Grok AI, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Press Enter, and you'll see a list of search results appear before you. Now, you'll need to find the official Grok AI website among those search results. It should typically be at the top or near the top of the list. Click on the link to be transported to their website where the magic happens. This is where the fun and creativity begin, as we prepare to generate some unique images. Once you've reached the Grok AI homepage, it's time to start creating by crafting a prompt for the image you wish to generate. It's all about imagination and specificity here. For instance, you might want to conjure an image of a realistic family portrait featuring Captain America and Elsa from Frozen, complete with a young child who embodies characteristics of both parents. You could envision the child with blonde hair and blue eyes, dressed in an outfit melding aspects of a superhero's attire and the iconic style of an ice queen. Picture the scene set against a picturesque suburban home with warm, inviting afternoon light, captured with a photorealistic quality, embracing a cinematic color tone for added impact. After articulating your creative idea as a prompt, the next step is to submit it to Grok AI. On the website, you'll find a Submit button that's usually quite prominent. Clicking this will send your prompt into the capable hands of Grok AI's algorithm, which will set to work generating your image. This step might take a few moments as the service processes your request and brings your idea to life. Once the image is generated, take a moment to appreciate the results. It's always fascinating to see how your initial idea transforms into an image through the lens of AI. Whether for fun, creative exploration, or professional use, the possibilities with Grok AI are almost endless. Thanks to its user-friendly interface and powerful capabilities, you can easily repeat these steps to experiment further or refine your images according to your evolving vision. Happy image creating!